Looking for delicious, healthy, and quick Mediterranean recipes? Let's go! Recipe 1. Mediterranean chickpea salad. First up, we have the Mediterranean chickpea salad. You'll need chickpeas, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, feta, and a drizzle of olive oil. This salad is fiber-packed and supports heart health. Health fact: chickpeas boost digestion, and olive oil reduces inflammation. Recipe 2. Grilled salmon with lemon and herbs. Next, let's make grilled salmon with lemon and herbs. This omega-3 rich salmon, seasoned with olive oil, garlic, and lemon, is great for brain and heart health. Health fact: did you know? Salmon fights inflammation and supports memory. Recipe 3. Greek yogurt and berry parfait, layering yogurt, berries, and nuts in a glass. Finally, we have a Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. It's loaded with antioxidants, probiotics, and healthy fats. Health fact: Greek yogurt supports gut health and berries fight aging. So there you have it. 3 easy Mediterranean recipes to boost your health. Recipes are in the link below. Try them out and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time.